Ever wondered what actually happens when you add flex grow 1 to an element in CSS? Like, why does everything stretch perfectly? In this video, I will break down what's exactly happening under the hood. So for the next time, you won't be guessing or speculating how flexbox is distributing the remaining space to its element. Okay, let's start simple. Imagine you have a flex container with 3 boxes and the container has bit of extra space left over after placing them. Now here's the trick. Flex grow 1 decides who gets to claim that leftover space. Every child's flex grow property is 0 by default in CSS. Any child who has flex grow of 1 will have these leftover space. Let's target the first child and give it a flex grow of 1 dot child colon nth child of first and flex grow 1. Now we can see that leftover space has been assigned to the child 1. Now second child's turn, we will give the leftover space to child 2 and we'll save it. Now we can see that second child is getting that leftover space. Same for the third child now. Let's change it to 3 and save it. And now third child is getting that leftover space. And if you want to give that leftover space equally to all the child, we will give flex grow 1 to all the child, and in our UI all the childs will have equal amount of leftover spaces. Now here's the part that most developers don't realize. The browser actually calculates this using a ratio system. In this case, this is a 3:1 ratio. Think of this value as a portion of the space. Okay, and let's go to the UI. Now we can see that we have 3 portions of space and we have equally given 1 portion to each of the child, right? Now for the first child, we will change the value to 2. So the ratio becomes 4:2, and for these 4:1 and 4:1 for this as well. Meaning that we have 4 portions of spaces and we have given 2 portions of spaces to the first child and 1 portion to child 2 and child 3. So this is how we divide the spaces in the ratios. And that's a wrap, guys. If you like this video, do like it and subscribe to my channel if you want to see me again.